Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shanovan Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make control power switch and water pump wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Magnetic conductor, power switch, motor. Is connection to magnetic conductor NO point. Phase connection to power switch. Phase connection outgoing from power switch to magnetic conductor terminal. Phase connection outgoing from magnetic conductor NO to motor. Neutral connection to magnetic conductor NC point. Neutral connection to magnetic conductor terminal. Neutral connection outgoing from magnetic conductor NC to motor. Earth connection to motor metallic body. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend and share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.